Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Decor Tricks channel. The kitchen has evolved far beyond its traditional role as a simple cooking space. Today, it's the centerpiece of the home, a place where design, function, and daily life come together in perfect harmony. A well-designed kitchen reflects not just personal style but also the way we live, gather, and connect. Modern kitchen design celebrates clean lines, smart organization, and seamless functionality, while still embracing warmth and character. Whether it's through sleek cabinetry, natural materials, or clever lighting, every element plays a part in creating a balanced and inviting space. In this video, discover the most inspiring modern kitchen design trends and remodeling ideas that combine style, comfort, and practicality, transforming your kitchen into a beautiful, timeless heart of the home. Open-concept kitchens have become the heart of modern home design, offering a sense of freedom, space, and connection. By removing barriers between the kitchen, dining, and living areas, the entire home feels more open, bright, and social. It's a layout that encourages conversation and togetherness, whether you're preparing meals, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying time with family. This design also allows natural light to flow effortlessly throughout the space, making the kitchen feel larger and more welcoming. To maintain a cohesive look, many designers use consistent flooring, complementary color palettes, and coordinated materials that visually tie the spaces together. An open-concept kitchen isn't just about removing walls, it's about creating harmony between function and lifestyle, blending cooking, dining, and relaxation into one seamless experience. Modern kitchens thrive on simplicity, and minimalist cabinetry plays a major role in achieving that clean, refined look. Flat panel doors, smooth finishes, and handleless designs create a sleek, uninterrupted flow that feels both elegant and efficient. Every line and surface is intentional, giving the space a calm and uncluttered atmosphere. Hidden storage is the secret behind this minimalist style. Deep drawers, pull-out shelves, and concealed compartments keep utensils, small appliances, and cookware neatly tucked away. This not only maximizes storage but also maintains the smooth visual balance that defines a contemporary kitchen. By combining functionality with understated beauty, minimalist cabinets make the kitchen feel open, organized, and effortlessly modern, a perfect blend of form and function. Bringing natural materials into the kitchen adds warmth, character, and a sense of balance to modern design. Elements like wood, stone, and textured finishes soften the clean lines of contemporary spaces, creating an inviting and organic feel. A wooden island base, marble countertop, or stone backsplash can instantly elevate the kitchen's atmosphere while keeping it grounded in natural beauty. The beauty of these materials lies in their authenticity. Every grain of wood and vein of stone tells its own story. Mixing smooth surfaces with raw textures adds depth and visual interest, turning a simple kitchen into a space that feels both stylish and timeless. Natural materials remind us that true elegance often comes from nature itself, blending comfort with sophistication in every detail. Technology has become an essential part of modern kitchen design, making everyday tasks more convenient and enjoyable. From smart refrigerators that help manage groceries to touchless faucets and voice-controlled lighting, innovation now blends seamlessly with style. These features not only save time but also bring a sense of sophistication and ease to daily routines. Smart appliances are designed to work intuitively, adjusting temperatures, providing recipe guidance, and even monitoring energy use. The result is a kitchen that's efficient, functional, and connected to your lifestyle. When technology is thoughtfully integrated, it enhances the beauty of the space without overwhelming it, creating a kitchen that feels both intelligent and effortlessly modern. The kitchen island has evolved into a true centerpiece, a focal point where design and practicality meet. It's not just a surface for meal prep, it's a gathering spot, a casual dining area, and often a bold design statement. Large islands with waterfall countertops, sculpted stone edges, or rich wooden accents bring a sense of luxury and balance to the room. Beyond looks, functionality plays a key role. Many modern islands feature built-in storage, hidden outlets, or even integrated cooktops and sinks. These thoughtful details make the island the most versatile part of the kitchen. With the right lighting above, like elegant pendant fixtures or subtle recessed lights, the kitchen island becomes the heart of the space, blending elegance, comfort, and utility in perfect harmony. Modern kitchen design embraces the beauty of contrast. Mixing materials and finishes brings character and depth, turning a simple kitchen into a sophisticated, layered space. Matte black paired with warm wood tones, or soft neutrals accented by brushed gold or stainless steel, creates a look that feels both refined and dynamic. This approach allows for creativity without losing balance. A dark island base beneath a light stone countertop or two-toned cabinetry can instantly draw the eye while maintaining harmony. The combination of textures, metal, wood, glass, and stone, adds personality and a custom touch that makes the kitchen feel unique. It's this thoughtful mix of tones and materials that gives modern kitchens their timeless appeal, elegant, inviting, and never one-dimensional. Lighting is one of the most important elements in any modern kitchen, not just for visibility, but for creating mood and depth. A well-designed lighting plan includes layers, ambient lighting for overall brightness, task lighting for focused work areas, and accent lighting to highlight design features. Together, these layers bring warmth and functionality to the space. Under-cabinet LEDs illuminate countertops for cooking, while pendant lights over the island add both style and a welcoming glow. Recessed ceiling lights help distribute light evenly, making the kitchen feel open and balanced. When done right, lighting doesn't just make the kitchen brighter, it enhances its design, adds comfort, and turns everyday moments into something special. Sustainability has become a natural part of modern kitchen design, blending style with environmental awareness. Homeowners are choosing eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and water-saving fixtures that help reduce impact without compromising beauty or comfort. Cabinetry made for recycled wood, countertops crafted from quartz or bamboo, and low VOC finishes create a cleaner and healthier home environment. Energy-efficient lighting and appliances not only lower utility costs but also support a more mindful lifestyle. A sustainable kitchen proves that thoughtful choices can make a big difference, combining long-lasting design with responsible living to create a space that's as kind to the planet as it is elegant and functional. Every kitchen feels more complete when it reflects personal style. Adding subtle, thoughtful details transforms a modern space into something warm and inviting. Open shelving with curated decor, a unique backsplash pattern, or a touch of color through bar stools or lighting fixtures can all express personality without overwhelming the design. Balance is key, mixing bold accents with neutral foundations keeps the space elegant and timeless. Whether it's a piece of art, textured walls, or handmade ceramics on display, these finishing touches tell a story and make the kitchen feel truly lived in. A well-balanced kitchen doesn't just look beautiful, it feels natural, authentic, and connected to the people who use it every day. A modern kitchen is more than a collection of design choices, it's a reflection of how we live, gather, and enjoy everyday moments. The right combination of materials, lighting, color, and technology can turn any kitchen into a space that feels stylish, functional, and timeless. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just looking for inspiration, these ideas can help you create a kitchen that's both beautiful and practical, a true centerpiece of the home. If you enjoyed these design inspirations, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more creative ideas and stylish transformations for every corner of your home.